We are clearly living within an epidemic of obesity, the era of obesity, and I guess cardiometabolic disease, which is related to that.
Mhm.
So, just very broadly speaking, what's your take on that? Why has this epidemic arisen?
It's interesting because if we look at prevalence of obesity across all westernized countries, but globally as well, it is growing and this is directly related with what we do, how we do it. Of course, there's an individual portion to that, but really it's the societies we live in that really dictate what we do and how we do it. And a big proportion of why people live with obesity is their genes. There's a strong genetic component, but that genetic component is fueled, if you want, by the environment that we create, that our society puts in front of us. And we're in a society where food is everywhere in different forms and shapes. I've always found it quite interesting to see chocolate bars, for example, at the pharmacy. That's a concept that I've never quite understood why we do that, but there is a structural part on why we behave in certain way, and that's what society puts in front of us, and that's really concerning because to some extent it's not fair to speak about willpower when we live in a world that sets us up to behave in certain ways, and those ways are going to drive the obesity prevalence that we see in the UK and elsewhere.